Alright, welcome back everyone. So this looks like a lot of code now, doesn't it? Well, how do we get to this? Well, we did copy and paste a lot, didn't we? And this is actually an easy way to make sure that not only it's easier to code, but it's actually a time saver too. So whenever you can copy and paste, I suggest to go and do that. So this again, this is roughly about maybe 3/4 of a page of code, and all we've done is just a simple table. So one of the things when you're coding, it always looks really hard to understand. Even when I look at code, I take a look at it and I think, oh my goodness, this is really hard, and I can't understand it. Well, if you just take a second or two to see what's going on, you can actually see how easy it is. Now, again, let's just take a look at this table. Before you watch these tutorials, if I showed you this, you'd say it's way too hard, I could never understand it. But now, all you have to do is just read this, take a couple seconds and read it line by line. You see, we just declare the table, and now we have the table row, and then our table data, and that's pretty much how we do the table. And of course, this data just repeats, now doesn't it? We have, again, the table row and then table data tags. That's all it is, and it just repeats. And when you take a look at it that way, it becomes a lot easier to understand. On top of that, I commented everything out, so again, it's even easier to understand. So, the lesson learned here is that a lot of code is actually easier than it looks. And sometimes when you add code, or when code gets to be this big, basically all people did was copy and paste.